everyone, welcome back to your Savikanjali. Today I'm going to show you the cute solving part 2. In my last video we did the white color. Today we are going to complete the whole cube. But before we start the whole other parts, let's just revise the white color. Don't mind these things. We are just building the new rooms of the house. Okay. Now let's just revise the white color and then complete the whole cube. Okay. So we need to take a cube, this piece, then like that. Left, S dash, Q dash, F. So I got these two done, and now it's green. Where is green? There it is. Okay, green, green, green. S dash, U dash, F again. Orange. R U R dash U dash, R U R dash U dash, R U R dash U dash. Whew. Now let's do the yellow. It's quite a bit long and it needs an explanation. If it's like this, if it's like two blocks, we need to put it like on the right side. But if it's like single, we need to put it on the left side bottom corner. But yellow should always remain on the top, so we are doing this. So R. Right. So R U R dash U R U U R dash. No. So again R U R dash U R U U R dash. Not yet. Again like this. Okay. U R dash U R U U R dash. So yellow is done. There's another color going to be done. So I got green, but like this L symbol means you need to do the last formula at least 2 times. So now the cube solving part 3, which we can solve the whole cube now. Okay, so we completed another extra color after yellow, and again if you complete like an L symbol, you should do the last formula at least 2 times. Okay, so we should put like this. So R dash F R dash B B R F dash R dash B B R R. Oh, I guess again. R dash F R dash B B R F dash R dash B B R R. Am I doing something wrong? R dash F R dash B B R F dash R dash B B R R. Dash F R dash B B R F dash R dash B B R R. Finally, U dash makes the completion of the cube. Okay, so first we do white color, and then we do yellow color. Another extra color will be done, and then we solve the whole cube. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Share my channel link to your friends and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.